Ever wondered why some product pages seem to effortlessly turn visitors into customers, while others struggle to convert even a fraction of their traffic? The answer lies in optimization. Welcome to a journey through the art and science of optimizing product pages. Here, it's all about creating a seamless path to purchase for your customers, and we'll explore how to do just that. It begins with understanding your customers. What motivates them? What are their concerns? What questions might they have about your product? The answers to these questions form the foundation of an effective product page. Step 1 in our guide to optimization is all about product descriptions. A great product description doesn't just describe, it sells. It addresses the customer's needs, and it answers their questions before they even have a chance to ask. It's concise, yet comprehensive. It uses compelling language that paints a vivid picture of the product, making it irresistible to the customer. Next, we turn our attention to product images. In an online world where customers can't physically interact with your products, images become incredibly important. High-quality professional images that showcase your product from every angle can make all the difference. Remember to include detailed shots and lifestyle images that show your product in use. This helps customers visualize owning and using your product. Now let's talk about reviews. Reviews play a crucial role in the buying decision process. They provide social proof that your product delivers on its promises. Encourage customers to leave reviews and don't shy away from negative ones. Instead, use them as an opportunity to demonstrate excellent customer service. Respond promptly and professionally, showing potential customers that you value feedback and are dedicated to resolving any issues. Finally, a well-optimized product page is one that is easy to navigate. Make sure your Add to Cart button is prominent and easy to find. Keep your page layout clean and simple. Avoid unnecessary clutter that could distract customers from making a purchase. So, to summarize, optimizing your product pages involves understanding your customers, crafting compelling product descriptions, using high-quality images, leveraging customer reviews, and ensuring a seamless navigation experience. Remember, the goal is not just to make a sale but to create a positive customer experience that will keep them coming back for more. It's a process that requires time, effort, and continuous testing and refinement. But with these steps, you're well on your way to creating product pages that don't just attract customers, but convert them. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of product page optimization. Keep these tips in mind, apply them, and watch your conversion rates soar. Happy optimizing!